Okay, guys, let's start the session. Just raise your hand. How many has faced the big losses in the market? And if you have faced losses and without over trading something under, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Okay, Rishabh. Okay. And what is your problem? Why you didn't? Why you made a big loss for that? If you had any reason, you can explain here, so I can answer that. What is the scenario we have to take out that and help to the people? Can you unmute yourself and speak that what you have, why you face such huge losses? So for that, I can give that information. Yeah.
Sir, because of lack of knowledge,
Okay. How much capital did you lose?
almost 2.5 lakhs, sir.
Okay. Fine. What did you trade on options or something, equity series or any other like that?
In Bank Nifty and Nifty 50, sir.
Okay. When you started the trading?
More than 6 months this happened, sir.
Okay, fine. How many lots you've been putting when you want to take a trade? Like, for example, if I take a trade now, if my capital is 1 lakh, you complete your capital will be deployed on the single trade. Is like how you traded or
No, sir. I used to take only 5 lot, three lot, 5 lot, 8 lot, 4 lot, maximum 20 lot. I took. That's it.
okay, fine. What about the risk management thing? How much risk did you take on the single trade?
Maximum loss is 40,000, sir.
Okay. I'll tell one thing. I will discuss that thing now. Okay.
7,000, sometime 1,000, 7,000. Sometimes I get profit also, but loss are much, sir.
Yes. That is because there in option buying there is a concept called theta DK. DK is the main thing. That things comes under the so only most of the time option sellers will be book the profits and options buyers like they lose the capital for that things. So let tell you one thing for everyone. Just I'm telling that if you had your capital, always try to know your loss, how much you lost you can book in the market. First thing you have to know about that thing. For that, how you have to keep the stop loss is, for example, I can give the example so you can understand easily. For example, I had a 1 lakh capital, okay, and
Sir,
for
I want to say you something.
uh,
Most of time, what happened means when I leave the market, on that time market will increase, sir.
yeah, that is the psychology thing. That's why that is the lack of knowledge. That's why we must know the technicals first, because how to draw support and resistance, what is support, what is resistance, why the market has been returned, where we need to keep the stop loss, where we need to keep the target, how we have to book the targets. That things only we'll discuss today, because so many of them
Sir,
don't know.
sir, can I get a physical class with you, sir? Because I am from Bangalore only, sir.
Yes. We'll start the soon. We'll start the offline classes. Once the offline
Hmm.
classes is started, you can attend the offline classes. As of now,
Okay,
I
sir.
am busy with making some courses and all. So once the offline class started, I'll let you know. Okay, you can trade with us
Okay,
like
sir. Thank you.
1 month boot camp. Like 1 month, you have to come to office and you have to learn for that.
Okay,
That's
sir. Thank you,
things.
sir.
That's thing gonna happen for the Bangaloreans and Andhra people. Then you can also come on Saturday, Sunday, every 2 days. That will be boot camp like that we can conduct soon. So that makes to I can help them in the real time market hours, how I trade, how I book the profits, how I keep loss, stop loss, and all everything will be explained. Okay, let's start this. For example, I had 1 lakh capital. You know, you have 1 lakh capital. Always you must follow this one rule. That is, I will draw and tell. Okay, if you had capital of 1 lakh, okay, per day you have to fix your stop loss. You have to fix like 2,500. Today, if I lost, I can book the loss and I can close the session for the day. So that has to be in your mindset. That how means you have 1 lakh capital. So your stop loss is 2500. 1 second. 2500 you lost. Okay. 2500 loss is how many quantity you have to take. So many of them don't know. So how much risk should I take, and how much risk should I, how many lots should I take, and how much loss should I keep? So many of them don't know that thing. So for that, what we do is, if it is your 2500 loss per the day, and capital, if you divide it by capital by just everyone open the calculator and click on your capital, okay? And you must think that maximum loss for the today you have to keep. This is the maximum loss for the day. So for that we must open the calculator, like my loss is 1 lakh, my is capital, and my loss is 25,000 2500. So you have to take a 2 lot 40 punch. You must know the points, SL punch, total number of quantity, capital divided by stop loss is equal to quantity. This formula you must know this thing. For example, I had a capital of 1 lakh. My stop loss is, I'm thinking to lose money in the market, that is 2500. So your stop loss will be like 40 points. Oh, screen is freeze. 1 second. Is it fine now? Working? I can try. So this is how we need to keep the quantity. For example, 2500 is your loss. For that, you have to take the 50 points is SL and 2 lots. Only 2 lots you have to be taken, because always follow the 2% rule. Maximum big traders, everyone has followed the same rule, because they don't want to lose money in the market. If they want to lose only 2% of their capital, they can lose. Always choose the stocks, like based on that only we have to take a quantity. 1 second. And quantities has been take that, and we'll go for the charts now. Most of the people think that what they will do is, okay, already market has been open gap up, and they think that they don't know where to keep that stop loss on top. Okay, if it is, we have to go for higher time frame, because lower time frame, based on experience only, we can get how to trade in higher time frame. Because if it is in the gap up or gap down scenarios, we won't take big trades and all, because we have to take very less quantity in that. Whenever we take a trade, we must know our risk capital. How 2%? Yes. That's only the formula. If you had a capital 1 lakh, that is, when it comes to percentage, that is 2000 is your loss per the single trade. So you don't know how to take, how many lots you have to take, you don't know. That's the formula is, I'm just telling that capital divided by capital, what you have, divided by stop loss is equal to quantity. So if you increase the quantity, loss, the quantity also increase. For example, 10,000 divided by 2500, you can take a lot of 10,000 capital you have, and your stop loss is 30 points. You can take it came to 333. So you have to take very less. So that's the reason minimum capital requirement is, we have to target it is only 2% per the day, not more than that. Because for example, if you calculate 2% per day, considered as 10 days, 20% to 30%. Maximum people always try to book small profits and exit from the trade. Most of the people, what will do, just wait for the thing, and when it losses coming, they'll wait for the losses. When when you are in profits, book early profits. That's the very biggest mistake as going nowadays. That's why we have to minimize our losses. there is a tool, you can see this tool. Okay, always use this tool for a very useful tool. Okay, just go here. You can have been stop mark. Yes, though there is a prediction and measurement tools. Okay, from here there is a long question. You are buying side today. Okay, just keep this, just select the tool, and okay, 1:1 risk reward. See, you can see here, right? Is it visible, right? My screen. See, always this is your entry point, this is your stop loss, and this is your exit. Just exit the trade. Always keep this, use this rule. For example, today also I'm buy side, where I this is my entry. Yes, this is our stop loss, this is our target. Okay, I'm selling side today. This is a day where I sell. See, okay, this is flag breakout. I'm upper side. I keep this here. Or nothing is the matter. See, this is how we have to use the tools. Then only we can understand. See, I have been keep here, and I have to book minimum losses. I expected that market will go upper side, but unfortunately, market is in the sideways, and I can book some losses. Even we have to book some losses also. It's not like that we have to be like, for example, this is the day, stop loss and target achieved, right? This is how we can use these tools for that. And just tell me your doubts, guys, because we are going with people who have been booked the losses, and what are the problems they have been faced in the risk management. That's thing we are discussing today. Just go ahead and unmute yourself and ask your doubts. I can clear your doubts, guys. Yes, unmute yourself, guys. Who have made a big losses, and how they will take a trade, and please explain your trades so I can helpful. I can answer the things so you can understand that this mistakes shouldn't happen next time onwards. See, stop loss it. You have to take this. Use the tools, guys. Risk management have been explained. Even if you had any doubts, risk management thing is psychology. Build your psychology first. You have to, most important things is we have to wait for hourly time hours, because we are the just what we call it as breakout traders, like momentum. When option come to the option bias, we have to wait for the momentum, right? Momentum. If it is the sideways, there is a concept called option decay. So in option decay, when you are the beginner stages, don't touch the options. I strongly recommend, without knowledge, don't touch the options, because option traders, they book the profits very fastly. Within a minute, they book the profits and they exit from the trade. For example, myself, I can take a trade 9:20 or 9:30 p.m. AM. After on or before 10:30, I close my day. So because maximum it will be the volatile time. After there is, you have to know the perfect timing of the tradings. First thing, 9:30 is the very crucial. 9:30, first 15 minutes candle is very, very, very important. After that, we can take a trade. 9:30, we have to plan for the yesterday itself, and we have to take a trade on that. So that what it will happen is, when we had planned for yesterday itself, if the what we planned, if the same scenario happened in the market, then only we can take a trade. If you don't have any plan, randomly you come and choose the stock and buy the stock and exit from the trade, that makes you to the last big losses. That's the reason you have to plan before entering to the trade itself. This is my risk aptitude, and this is my risk. This is my cap. Yes, for that you need to install the abstracts. We had abstract account, right? Delta theta, I'll show you. Oh, in lab it won't be available. We can go for delta values. This is the options Greeks. This is the thing. See guys, 0.5 or what this concept, if I explain this concept, okay, if market is moving in the money 0.6 to 1 C value, in case market is moving to the upper side 0.6 into points of bank nifty moving, if you calculate that the points we can book the profits, or that the points will be decayed. This is slight out of the money 0.45. So this is how it gonna be work out. You have to see these values. This comes under options concepts. We will discuss these option concepts in later. And any guys, please tell your problem so I can answer the problem. Risk management is always use a 2% of risk from your capital, and quantity sizing will be like based on that. We have to take a trade. Quantity sizing be like, this is my risk aptitude and this is the quantity. You have to, it has to be calculated by brain itself only. 2500, okay, 50 points, 50 points divided by 2, okay, 2500, 50 points, 50 points. So there will be 2 lots. If my risk is 25,000, okay, 50 points SL is I'm getting, okay, then take 10 lots or 20 lots, 50 points, 20 lots. So we have to, it has to come to the brain itself. There will be small, your risk. This is the, I'm ready to give market 40 points. We have to wait for that 40 points. 40 divided by 2. You have to follow that rule, guys. And I can share the PDF. Okay, what risk management, you have many of them has been went to the my PDF. Okay, you can see that risk management, how it been gonna works the thing. Okay, once again, even I show that. Please growth or it is very important. Divergence, everything will be explained in this. Most of them, see, this is the formula, guys. Risk 2%, entry point is 100, stop loss is 97, 2%. Risk is equal to 2000 of 2 lakh. Position size is equal to risk entry minus stop loss. So you have to, you lose more than 2 capital, not let more than. Guess, is it possible to share this, please? Yes, this is available on Telegram. You can check it out. You can download and you can use yourself. It's available, guys. It's completely free. It's available. Do check it out. So psychology points. These are very important things, guys. That is what we have to discuss today. Psychology points. What is strip retracement? Whatever the concepts I'm teaching, it's completely available in this PDF. On basis. See, you can see, right? What I want to tell, it's completely, it's visible here. Swing trading, everything, strategies, everything I have been struggled a lot for making this PDF, guys. You have to be achieve this thing. See, this is a trading plan we have to make. Accuracy, it's not come to accuracy. There is a theta also. If the market is in the range bound itself, the theta will be decayed. That's why when it in the movement only, delta will be calculated. Okay, trading flow chart. This is very important. Gap down strategy, risk. See, I have been everything I have been given here, but most of them people has not don't watch these things because it's very important. Yes, 100% it will works. Delta theta are very important. Yes, if it you have been not Akash, yes, Akash, you didn't see the support and resistance, okay? From that video, I've been explained that how how the find out the fake breakout and all. Option chain analysis will be I have made a tool. Once when we get to Upstart completing equity series, we'll come to that thing and we'll get the option chain one. Okay, no worries, you can watch it out. So this is the thing, you have to know these things, very important concept. Soon we'll discuss about the exponential moving averages. This thing, what is a basic patterns? These are the important patterns which will be useful in the market. That is triangles, double bottom, success ratio, head and shoulders, trend lines, angle fin, bearish flags, morning, evening stars. These are very important things, guys. Why so many people don't watch? Uh, okay, let's see the thing. Okay, once we start offline classes, we'll go for YouTube live. Something you can watch it out. You can watch it out. The thing. Okay, just you can see my website. You can find out the things. Okay, the chart patterns, everything is very important, but people are not interested. I guess not watching. See, every premium content, whatever the it's completely, I'm giving free, guys. You're not watching these things. It's completely nowhere in the no one give this free of this content, guys. You can see in my telegram everything I have been given. What is bearish flag, where the entry, how to keep SLC, everything I have been collected the sources and I have been given this. Okay, see what is market structure, trending, alloyed waves, everything I have been discussed, but no one is responding. Do watch my complete analysis. That is only you will get the things, guys. Do share this video, guys, and they at least understand. They come out from the making big losses. And if you had any doubts, please unmute yourself and ask. If you had doubt, you can message also. I can answer you. Yes, Madhu, the PDF is available on Telegram. You can download it from there. Yes, it's available. You can see that I have been pinned the message completely. You have to work on it. If I say that do paper trading, most of the people don't do the paper trades. Just randomly they'll come up and they make it. Yes, I have been uploaded the video. You can see that and explained why I have been chosen. Oh, yes, you can use a screener. Screener video also I have been given in the Telegram. Use the 15 minutes low high breakout stocks. It's so many different methods we have. For example, I choose static method. Dynamically also I have been given. You can see the stock selection one. Okay, you can get an idea how to select the stocks in dynamic in market hours itself. What is supply? So that video is available. You can check it out. Okay, Akash. And next doubt, please let me know. Still facing difficulties, please let me know, guys. See how this is the patterns I have been see this. See, okay. This I have one day, complete one day. I have to explain this PDF. So that makes the people to understand this concept. Yeah, soon. Definitely one day we'll make complete the use of this PDF. Okay, guys. I'm closing this session and the video will be. So after market a good profit, I exited the market, but market is same thing. Yeah. Always, if you carry forward a things, okay, that will be risky. Always choose limited risk. Okay, Rishabh, that's fine. Okay, I'm closing the session, guys. and see you in the next video. Next video we'll discuss about the moving averages, simple averages. That concept we'll discuss about, because marathon strategies on how to find out the either
Thank you,
relatives.
sir.
Uh,
Sir, so,
yes,
sir, in option chain, sir,
yeah.
in there will be so many numbers, no, sir. And what is different between that all, sir?
It's like volumes, delta, theta, so many values will be in that. So that concept will be explained so soon. We'll wait for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. I'm closing the session, guys. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, Dhanpal, can we put the stop loss order option while carrying? No, you can't. The broker won't allow us. It comes to 9:15, you have to do that. Okay, guys. Bye. See you in the video.